Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen. So as Christmas is around and I really wanted to show you how do I make my ornaments and wanted to give new ideas. And as you all know, I love beaches, so it will be on the theme of a beach with different colors. And if you get inspired, you can make the same before Christmas and gift it to your loved ones, or even you can sell those who sell their ornaments. These are the wooden ornaments I got in this kind of package with a string, as you can see. So what I've done, let me show you quickly because the battery of my camera is really low and I have to do it really quick. So I have taped down the back and this is the front part. So I'll be using single color on one ornament. So let me show you how do I do it. It's quite easy. I have taken 3 different colors. I've already mixed the resin and the pigment. So this is metallic blue. Let me show you which one. It's this one. There's no name on it. I got it from a local supplier. So let's start with this. There's another color which is this one. It is called turquoise. Turquoise color. It's a beautiful blue. I love it. I will make the waves with the straw because my heat gun blows away everything. I think it's perfect. Yep, it's looking nice. Let's make some waves over here. Not bad, it's feeling very nice. Now another color which I've taken is this teal. It's this one from Pebeo.